Students, let's see the quick recap of cyanide and isocyanide, difference between their structure, hybridization and physical properties.
Structure, here it is, you will see this is an ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand means it has two binding sites. One is carbon and one is nitrogen. It can bind from carbon to the alkyl group as well as from the nitrogen to the alkyl group. In the cyanide, what is happening? It is binded, the linkage is through carbon atom. The linkage is through carbon atom. This is alkyl and this is carbon. And in isocyanide, the linkage is through nitrogen. This is your alkyl, R is alkyl and N is nitrogen. So this is the difference. Both are means the linkage is with triple bond. Okay, you will see R and C means both the carbon are bonded with single bond, but here a triple bond is there. So nitrogen will form triple bond with carbon, and here also it is happening when one coordinate bond is there. Okay, so you can see here sp hybridization due to triple bond, here also sp hybridization due to triple bond. Okay, 180-degree bond angle in both the cases, and nucleophilic character.
Okay, these are generally colorless liquids, and lower members are soluble also. Lower members 1 to 15 members are soluble in water. Okay, and as this has a polar bond. Okay, the bond is polar due to CN triple bond and electronegativity. You know, this is C is very electronegative, so this is polar and this is non-polar. Okay, this polar character gives many properties like solubility is more, okay, and high boiling points also. This is not low, this is high in comparison to, if I'll compare it with isocyanides, their boiling point is low, BP is low. Okay, and these have high boiling points. Extremely toxic. Cyanide is extremely toxic. These are also toxic isocyanide, but less toxic than cyanides. Isocyanides are less toxic. Okay, these have means pleasant smell, or you can tolerate the smell. I am writing pleasant smell. What is this? Pleasant smell. But these have very unpleasant smell. You cannot tolerate offensive smell. Okay, very offensive strong smell you cannot tolerate. Okay students, so polar, non-polar, okay, due to polarity, due to CN bond, and this polarity gives solubility and boiling points also, high boiling points also, but this is non-polar, so that's why the character changes here. Okay, and here these are extremely toxic. These are also toxic but less toxic than cyanides. Okay, and lots of applications are there. Okay student, bye bye. And for more such informational videos, like, share and subscribe the channel.